Welcome back, friends. Hope you're all well. Today, I am talking about Barceloneta Beach, located along the sun-kissed shores of Barcelona, Spain. This beach is a symbol of vibrant energy and seaside allure. From the rhythmic sounds of crashing waves to the colorful kaleidoscope of beach life, this coastal gem is the epitome of Mediterranean fun. Let's explore the tapestry of experiences that make Barceloneta Beach a great destination for locals and travelers alike. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. At Barceloneta Beach, the thwack of volleyballs meeting palms echoes harmoniously with the lapping of waves against the shore. The beach's sandy expanse transforms into a lively arena where friends, families, and strangers come together for spirited matches under the sun. Whether you're a seasoned pro or a novice enthusiast, there's a court waiting for you to join in on the fun. The camaraderie fostered on these sandy courts transcends language barriers, creating bonds forged through shared passion and spirited competition. As the sun casts its golden glow over the sands of Barceloneta, it illuminates a parade of vibrant colors and striking silhouettes. Bikini-clad beauties grace the shoreline, exuding confidence and charm as they soak in the Mediterranean rays. Each swimsuit tells a story, a reflection of individual style and self-expression against the backdrop of azure waters and sandy shores. From chic designer pieces to bohemian wraps, the beach becomes a runway of coastal delight where every strut is a celebration of body positivity and beachside glamour. Friends, share your thoughts about this beautiful beach in the comments section. In the next video, I will tell you more about this beach, so stay connected with me. Thanks for watching.